Okay, you mentioned something about x's all over the place inside a triangle, so here we go. Don't forget, don't worry, we're almost done, don't worry. Here we go. Remember, how many degrees inside a triangle? 180. So if you add all of these together, they equal 180, so let's add them all. 3x minus 17 plus x plus 40 plus 2x minus 5. Do you have to go in that order? No, doesn't matter. Equals 180 degrees. Let's add the x's first. We have a 3x, which is positive, plus an x, which has a 1, plus a 2x. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, so we have 6x. That's where it gets a little fun right here. Negative 17 plus 40 minus 5. Let's do it this way. 40 minus 5 is 35. 35 minus 17 is 18. Positive 18. Or you can put it on the calculator. Negative 17 plus 40 minus 5 is 18. Equals 180. Leave the x alone. Get rid of the 18. It's positive, so we need to put negative 18. Negative 18. Subtract it. 6x equals 180 minus 18 is 162. Divide by 6. That's a big 1. And x is 162 divided by 6 is 27. So x is 27. If they had wanted you to go back and find the angles, then all you would do is put this 27, plug it into that x, plug it into the x over here, or plug it into the x over here. It just depends. Whatever they ask, or maybe all they want is the x. But that's how you do that. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I flipped it over just to make it look weird, but it's the same stuff. Let's find x. That's all I want to do is just find x here. Remember, this one here is the exterior. We don't care about this one. All you know is that this 6x minus 7, since it's outside, it equals this one plus this one. So let's write that out. 6x minus 7 equals 103. That's 103 minus x plus 2x. Let's combine some like terms real quick. That's still 6x minus 7. Right here we have a negative x, which is 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is negative 1 plus 2 is like 2 minus 1, which is just 1. So I'm going to write down the 103. And negative 1 plus 2x gives me a positive 1x. Or just x, just depends, but there is a 1 there. Now remember, which one's smaller? 1 or 6? The 1 is. So let's get rid of the 1. It's a positive 1, so we subtract 1x. Subtract 1x. That goes away. 6x minus 1x is 5x. Bring down the minus 7. Bring down the equal sign. Bring down the 103. Now get rid of the minus 7. How do you get rid of a negative 7? You plus 7. Plus 7. That goes away. And I'm out of room, so I'm just going to write all this stuff right here. I'm going to bring down the 5x. Bring down the equal sign. And then 103 plus 7 is 110. Divide by 5. That goes to 1. And 110 divided by 5 is 22. X is 22. Now, take a look at this one, Emily. I know you said it's not on your test, but I'm showing it to you because it's not hard. Everything we've done, it's right here. We just need to see it. Okay? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this triangle right here. I'm outlining it, okay? I'm going to erase the purple right now, but I just want you to see it. I'm going to take that one triangle, and I'm going to find the missing angle way right here. Because remember, there's 180 degrees in the triangle. Okay? So, let's find that missing degrees. I'm going to add 62 plus 50. 62 plus 50 is 112. Then I'm going to put 180 minus my 112, because it's 180 degrees in a triangle, and that gives me 68. So then the angle right here is 68 degrees. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get this triangle right here, this one. I'm going to find this missing angle right there. So let me erase that purple. I'm going to find this angle right here. So we have 53 plus 80. That's from the big triangle. Okay? 53 plus 80 is 133. And then I'll put 180 minus 133. Why? Because there's 180 degrees inside a triangle. 180 minus 133 is 47. So this is 47. Now we have another triangle. This one. The baby one in the middle. And you see how X is on the outside? Remember, you don't care about the angle right here? So, what do? Remember, X is just this one plus this one. Remember? Just like before. See, erase all the purple stuff so you can see it. Okay. X is exterior, so just add 47 plus 68. X is 47 plus 68. 47 plus 68 is 115. 115 degrees. It's everything you've done condensed into like 3 steps. You've done it all. It's just condensed. Check this crazy question out, Emily. It's not really hard. It looks like it's crazy hard, but it's not. So I want us to find the purple numbers. Find out what angles those are. It's really easy. On the first question I did on the first review, I told you should know, I don't know if they taught you. But this one here and this one here, they are vertical angles. They're across. Vertical angles are equal. So this is 68. And then you need to know these are a linear pair. I don't know if they taught you that. These equal 180 when you add them. So then I'll put 180 minus 68, and that's 112. So this is 112. And this one's kind of cheating. These are the same thing here. They're vertical, so this is 90. And shortcut, if one of them's 90, they're all 90. Because 90 plus 90 equals 180. Same thing. Then we have a triangle here. Right here. This triangle in the middle. You know 90, you know 68. Find out the leftover piece. 90 plus 68 is 158. And then 180 minus 158 is 22. My favorite number. So this is 22. And then these two have to equal 180 because they make a line. Linear pair. Hope they taught you that. 180 minus 22 is 158. So this is 158. Kind of confusing, but I give my students harder than this, Emily. So I just wanted to show it to you, just so you see that it's not hard. It's confusing, but it's not.